Welcome to our channel. Known Unknown. Digital Motor Insurance. Card in Sri Lanka become mandatory. From the 1st of May, 2026. The era of searching through your glove box for a worn-out piece of paper is officially over. Following Direction No. As of June 2026, the Insurance Regulatory Commission of Sri Lanka, IRCSL, is shifting gears toward a more efficient, digital future for vehicle owners. Beginning May 1, 2026, physical motor insurance cards will no longer be used. Here is everything you need to know about the transition to the digital motor insurance card. The digital motor insurance card. Under the new IRCSL directive, insurance companies will no longer issue physical cards for motor insurance policies. Instead, every policyholder will receive a digital version. This move aims to streamline verification, reduce paper waste, and minimize the risk of losing physical documents. Effective date, May 1, 2026. Directive, IRCSL Direction No. 06 of 2026. Applicability, all motor insurance policyholders in Sri Lanka. How to verify your digital motor insurance card. Since you won't have a physical card to show the authorities, the IRCSL has introduced a simple, real-time verification system. You can check your policy validity instantly using your mobile phone. Option 1. USSD Code, quickest method. Dial *1338# on your mobile phone. Follow the prompts to enter your vehicle number, e.g., ABC 1234, or your policy number. Receive instant confirmation of your insurance status. Option 2. SMS verification. If you prefer texting, simply send an SMS with your vehicle number or policy number to 1338. Why the switch to digital? While it might feel like a big change, the digital shift offers several perks for Sri Lankan motorists. Instant access. No more "I forgot it at home" excuses. Your proof of insurance is tied to your vehicle and accessible via any mobile device. Fraud prevention. Digital records are harder to forge than paper cards, ensuring better security for all road users. Environmental impact. Annually, we will save millions of plastic and paper cards. Need assistance? If you run into any trouble verifying your policy or have questions about the transition, help is just a phone call away. Short code 1338. Hotline 0112 303 300. Official website www.ircsl.gov.lk. Is your car ready for the digital age? Before the May 1st deadline, make sure your insurance company has your current contact information so that everything goes smoothly. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment.